In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a citation in Mendeley. Now, the first thing you want to do inside Word, you want to open the add-in for Mendeley. So click on Add-ins, top right, and click on Mendeley Cite, or go to References and click on Mendeley Cite here. Now, whenever you do this here, you can see you have the references, and to actually edit a citation, you want to find the one you want to edit, for example, this one, and you want to click on it. When you do so, it's going to get a border, and then down here at the bottom right, you can see it says Select Below to edit. So to do this, you want to simply click on the citation like this, and it's going to open the Edit Citation window. Now in here, you can see the preview, and then you can basically change how you want to display it. So you can display as author year, like this, or whatever you want. And you can, of course, change source details as well. It's completely up to you, and then prefix and suffix as well. Or if you want to manually do this and override it, you can click on Override Entire Citation Manually, and you can just change it over here. For example, if I wanted to change it to this, like that, you can just basically do that, click on Save Changes, and it's going to change and edit your citation directly inside Word using Mendeley, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.